Are you looking for the best sewing machines? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best sewing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brother Innov-is A65. This was a standout sewing machine on test. It's easy to get stitching straight away thanks to a clear quick start guide and on-machine markings. There's more to get used to than on a mechanical machine, but its detailed instructions include guidance on stitch selection, and error codes appear on its screen for simple troubleshooting. Its computerized design simplifies sewing too, whether you're choosing stitch lengths and widths, reinforcing lines of stitching, or even sewing a buttonhole. Thanks to its one-step foot, you simply select your stitch, press start, and watch it sew. This was the only time our tester had to play around with the tension, too. It also has a handy thread cutting feature for a neat chop when you're done with your line of stitching. Quiet and stable in use, it produced outstanding results across every fabric and stitch type, even when sewing delicate chiffon, which was our tester's favorite task to tackle. They said the experience was as smooth as butter. And there are plenty of decorative and quilting stitches available, making it a great machine for almost any project. Number 2. Janome Sewist 725S. This mechanical sewing machine proved a reliable buy that will serve both beginners and more experienced sewers alike. Its seam allowance guides, including one for corner turning, and threading markings are clear and easy to follow. The bobbin is simple to wind and its one-step buttonhole foot is efficient. The tension dial felt stiff initially, but it barely needed adjusting for neat sewing on any fabric. Only the zigzag stitch required a bit of trial and error with its size settings, as it caused some slight puckering on lighter materials like cotton and viscose. If you experience any gathering when finishing your fabric edge, consult the comprehensive instructions for the best alternative overcasting stitches to use. Overall, this reasonably priced model boasts a good array of stitches, including the capability to smock, which aspiring dressmakers will enjoy. Number 3. Pfaff Smarter 160s. Keen to cultivate a more sustainable wardrobe? This make-do-and-mend machine comes with a detailed guide to darning and repairing tiers. It also scored full marks for ease of use, so if you're shopping for your first sewing machine, it's a great beginner-friendly buy. Clear instructions and machine markings help you get going quickly, and 23 stitch settings, including a reliable one-step buttonhole, offer plenty of scope for expanding your sewing horizons. It consistently stitched neatly, and adjusting the settings and tension proved easy. It felt robust, too, only slightly wobbling when operating at the highest speed on denim. Just be careful on delicate fabric. The presser foot marked ours slightly when tackling stretch stitches. Bright pink detailing means this machine looks great on display, but it also comes with a sturdy hard case to keep it safe between projects. Number 4. Singer 6605C Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. This computerized machine is a little more affordable than the others on our list, and as its name suggests, it's a sturdy buy, too. Setup is fairly simple. A quick start guide takes you through each step. There are built-in cutting features to help with neat threading, and our tester wound the bobbin in less than 2 minutes. It's also easy to select your stitches and adjust the length and width. The arm bed is a great size for moving your fabric through the machine smoothly, and it's stitched neatly. But our tester had to play around with the tension to achieve a tidy finish when trialing decorative stitches and working with slippier fabrics. Sewing a small test before each project will help you perfect the settings though, and denim sewed like a dream. Note, you can't limit the sewing speeds via the machine, just manually with the pedal. And the machine is heavy, which is something to take into account if you don't keep it out on a sewing table. Number 5. Brother HF 27 Strong and. Our expert thought this was an excellent pick for beginners thanks to its ability to deliver neat, straight stitches on cotton. It offers 27 stitch options in total, including satin stitches, removing the need to upgrade your machine as you gain confidence and your skills grow. For those new to sewing, the built-in needle threader is a helpful tool, even if it does take a few attempts to master, and we liked how easy it was to change the stitch settings and the needle. Stretchy materials like viscose tended to pucker when doing zigzag stitches, and we'd have appreciated a clearer instruction manual with larger text. That said, it does come with an instructional DVD, which also guides you through the machine's features.